Hello friends, today I am gonna show you that how you can make PDF of your papers and send it to the classroom app to your teacher. So first you have to install an application named Adobe Scan from Play Store. And then open this application and click the photo of your paper. Then sometimes it crops or the whole document, so you have to crop it manually. As you can see, it is ready, and click on this pen icon and rename it. And save it. Click on share a copy, click on classroom app and choose your ID from here, your school ID, and attach to assignment and select your paper name. As you can see, it is attached, and when I will hand in it, it will go to the teacher and she will check it and return it to you.